What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. We're gonna be installing some new paddles. As you guys know, I had the longer ones, but I took them off thanks to Inline 6 Auto. He sent me new paddles that don't actually attach to this one, so they're gonna be single. Take these off, put those new ones on, and I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different in a POV. So I'm actually gonna show you the new paddles right now. As you guys know, these are the old ones that I had right here. Actually, I'm about to be giving these out to one of you guys. All you guys gotta do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, go on my Instagram, hit me up, tell me that you subscribed. That way I can know who did it and who didn't. And then these are the new ones, guys, that I'm gonna be installing. The good thing about these is that they're gonna be by themselves. I don't know how hard of a job it will be, but we're gonna attempt it. These are carbon fiber, and if you guys are interested in getting these, a pair of these for your car, go to Inline 6 Auto, use code Sticks at checkout for 5% off, so do that. So the first thing you guys want to do is get to the back and disconnect the battery. You don't want the airbag to just blow up in your face. Next thing you want to do is use your flathead, and there's going to be two holes on the side of your steering wheel, which is where the two clips for the airbag is. You want to pinch those two clips in and your airbag should come off. After that, all you want to do is use your flathead to pry the little clip out. Make sure not to break it, and the airbag should come off pretty easy. What I do next is pretty much unscrew the old paddle, and then after that, it's pretty much reassembling everything back together, making sure you put the new paddles, making sure everything's good, and you should be good to go. That's yours?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How many horsepower with the tune?
Like 6 algo.
6. Más de ahí no se necesita.
No.
Está bien ahí.
Porque ahí viene con almost 500.
Yeah. I think I'm with like 460.
Like 480, 460.
Yeah.
Casi eso from 0 to 60.
¿Eh?
Uf. Con 600 son algunos
2.5, 3.
¿De verdad?
Yeah.
Sí, sabe
Yeah.
cogerlo.
Yeah, of course.
Es otra cosa.
Oh yeah. That's so nice. After we finished chatting, all I did was pretty much tighten everything back together. Not too tight, but tight enough. All right, guys, so we're running out of light, so I'm gonna try to finish this quick. Pretty much just gonna repeat what I did on this side here. It was pretty easy, not gonna lie. I don't even know where to put the light, to be honest. Let's use the same thing, just on both sides. Unscrew this, put the new one on, connect the battery back, and then I'll probably go on a little test drive so you guys can see it, and then that's it. And it's a little dark. I was hoping to do it more during the daytime, but the sun came down way too fast, or went away quick. I can't even see my thing, bro. Let me see if I can put my light, my phone here. And it's hot outside, bro. I know you guys probably can't see that much. Honestly, I can't even see myself. Oh, I'm sweating crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta be careful. I don't want to mess something up. Oh, with the old, make sure nothing falls off. And then let me go grab the new one. Late night mechanic, y'all. Doing this shenanigans. Let me just put this new one on there before we completely lose the light. This is not really a complete DIY video, guys, because honestly, it's my first time doing this. So I'm just trying to make sure I don't mess something up, to be honest with y'all. This goes right in there. There's that. And then it's all about putting this back. There we go. I don't want to tighten it too much. I just want to make sure everything works good, or sounds like it works. Don't over tighten it. That's good. Everything should be in good. All I gotta do now left is connect the battery back. Not the battery, the airbag, and everything should work fine. I hope so. If I had somebody else to hold this, at least connect this back. I know you can't really see much in here. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll probably take it on a little drive, so probably in the next clip you guys see is me using them. But so far, I really like what they, they look very classy, very nice, man. Like I said, if you guys want to cop these, man, go on the link below, and let's go on a little drive and see what's up. It is indeed the following day. Didn't take the car on a drive yesterday. It was so late at night, you couldn't really even see, but here they are, guys. The new paddles installed and ready to go. So gonna go on a drive, make sure they work good. I really like how they came out, though. I'm not gonna lie, because like I said, the other ones that I had, you guys obviously have seen it in the videos where it is two, but now it's just one on each side, which they look absolutely amazing. They feel good. The one thing I can say is, like, if you try to shift up here, can't really shift. I don't know who even shifts up there, but usually people shift down here. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead, take the car on a little spin around the block and stuff like that, see how they feel, make sure they work good. If you guys didn't know, I did move, so I'm in a new area now. I don't really know this area. They do feel nice, though. I like how simple and classy they look. So yeah, let me make sure upshift, downshift. Okay, it feels good. They work. They seem like they're working pretty good, which is what was my main concern. Make sure I put them back right and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Oh god. Okay, feels good. Turn the downshift. Good, good, good. This wasn't too hard of a job, guys, to be honest. As long as you have the right tools, all you need is a flathead, something to take off the battery, and then just the 2 screws that are, you know, where the paddles are. That's about it. The heck? My thing is tweaking. That thing is just restarted itself. I know. That feels good. Seems to be working perfectly. Streets over here are a little bit wobbly, but nothing too crazy. Let's go to the right. Whatever it is this way, I have no idea. Well, that's a dead end. I guess we're going left. And just coming back. Up it in sport, actually, for a little bit. Sounds good. So sounds good, it's working good, which is amazing. Oh wow, I can't even see cars coming from that side. Well, we're going for it. Feels right. Which of you guys are gonna be going to the Keys show coming up very, very soon? If you are there, say what's up to the kid, man, because I'm about to be there. Eamon's gonna be there. I know a couple other, you know, YouTubers are gonna be there, so should be fun. I'm definitely not missing that for nothing, bro. If I have to climb a fence, I will. Whatever I gotta do. But you will see the Sticks mobile, the Sticks for 40,000 at that show, bro. So if we get to see some of y'all there, man, just pull up on the kid, say what's up, and we should be straight. But this little curves feel nice. Oh wait, where do I turn? I'm lost. Truly. No, it wasn't there. I think it's this next one. I definitely like these paddles a lot better. It looks so nice. I was thinking, because I do have these badges right here in black and white, I should have put that on when I took off the airbag, but I might still do it before the show, so it can actually match, you know, good with the new paddles and just the color of everything that I have, you know. I never did it before because I was afraid of the airbag going off and stuff like that, but since now I know how to take it off, put it back on and all of that. I didn't even test my horn, see if it works. Yeah, it works, so it's good. It feels good. Everything seems to be working all right, which is good. Subscribe, like, all that cool stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.